iDcrm Profile Manager. We've created this solution that is, by the way, a standard solution for Microsoft CRM, because when you have just 2 users for your solution, it's quite easy to set your own iDcrm on your own iPad. But when you implementing like 100 users for my iDcrm, you cannot take each iPad one by one and specify the environment for the users. And by the way, maybe you don't want your user to change their iDcrm environment, or you want to prevent user to connect to Microsoft CRM from the iPad, or you want to deactivate a user that will leave the company. So that's why we create this solution that is just 2 entities, one profile and one to store the setup file. Let's see what is a profile. A profile is linked to a user. So I give a name, I link it to the user, I give the user status, can be allow, disallow, or read only, and I link it to a setup. I can log the home screen, so the user that can't change his environment anymore, and log the entity list. And then, how do you create setup? Because if you create setup for Microsoft CRM, there will be no data inside. It's quite easy. The user need to be an iDcrm administrator. And then in iDcrm, it will be allowed to change the environment, and then go there on setup and share setup on the server. You just have to put the name like demo setup, and that's all. It will be shared directly to the server. And then each user you want to use this environment, you just have to link the user to the setup. And next time it will connect on iDcrm, iDcrm will apply it. If the user do the first thing, the user won't be able to change the filters on each entity. It will use this setup. The last interesting functionality is, let's say that you want to disallow iDcrm for this user. You just have to change his profile, save, and next time the user will connect, will launch his iDcrm, he will have a nice message saying that iDcrm is disallowed and you can't use it anymore. So that's the power of the iDcrm Profile Manager. It's fast to implement, easy to use, as iDcrm is, and there's no unusable functionality. Everything in a small place and easy to implement. And the product just costs $49.99 one-time fee, so it's quite cheap for the service you can have with it. We've implemented more than 200 users in 2 hours just by the help of this tool, so you can use it for your company. Thanks.